So here we have the Magnaflow NEO Catback. This one came to us, the box got a little bit messed up, but we're gonna open it up and make sure that everything's all right before we weigh it. All right, so we've got a mid-pipe section here that goes to a Y right there. Got tips here, one muffler here. Second muffler. Does have a little blemish there. And another thing I like to see are Helmholtz resonators. So we've got one here on this mid-pipe. I'm glad to see it. This catback is advertised with Magnaflow's zero drone technology, and I believe the way that they achieve that is with a Helmholtz resonator. So this one is very big, comes off the side here, and that's going to allow this catback to cancel out those high RPM unwanted frequencies, such as what produces drone. So be anxious to see how much this thing weighs. Oh, another note, all V-band connections with this catback. So V-bands to the mufflers, V-band from the mid-pipe to the secondary mid-pipe piece as well. And it looks like V-bands on the Y as well. And we have our hardware here as well, all V-bands. All right, I want to check out this Y section. Let's see what that looks like. Pretty nice looking Y. So it looks like it's gusseted, has kind of a press fit around it and welded all around. These V-bands are nice stainless pieces, so it'll be interesting to see how this one installs, bolts up. But first, we're gonna go get it weighed and then get it installed and on the dyno. NEO Catback. This catback, first of all, is $2,039. It is by far the most expensive catback we've tested so far. It is all stainless. The welds are decent. The V-bands did come together. It took a couple. It wasn't doable with one person. Let me just say that. Needed someone else to come and hold the pipes together and get the V-band on. I don't know that the V-bands are necessary on a simple catback exhaust like this. I feel like the ones that had the 2-bolt, gasketed flange were perfectly fine. Easy enough for one person to install. V-bands are nice to look at, but when you actually have to install them and get them just right, sometimes they can be a struggle. So as far as drone goes, 5th gear, 6th gear, part throttle, I'm feeling some drone, hearing some drone. So despite the fact that this does have a Helmholtz resonator, I do have some character on downshifts, some burbles, which is nice. But despite this having a Helmholtz resonator, I'm really surprised that there is even a hint of drone. It's not as bad as those 3-inch catbacks that don't have a resonator. However, my ears hear it. And I think, Dave, you probably heard it too.
Definitely.
That, this is, for $2,000, zero drone technology should produce zero drone, right? It does have a Helmholtz. I'm sure that without it would be even worse, but 5th and 6th gear, part throttle, we are hearing it. And again, this car has a stock header, stock front pipe. So with that said, for $2,000, I would have personally expected a little bit more in the fit and finish, the quality. The V-bands are nice, high quality V-bands. I just don't know that they're necessary. I feel like having simple 2-bolt gasketed flange works just fine for most applications. So I am struggling to see where the value is coming from. So with that, on to the next catback.